Okay, Taco here, back out of the airport after more than a month, and it's supposed to be a nice smooth 1 to 2 mile an hour winds right now, but if you can't hear in the microphone, this is definitely not 1 to 2 miles per hour. So it's midday, 1:30 or so probably a lot of thermals popping off, stuff like that. I'm not flying now. I'm gonna do some preventative maintenance. First of all, I stripped off these old strobes, which weren't ever really strobes to begin with. Okay, now, another problem I have, my radio. And don't know if you'll be able to see very well on video, but my radio wire is already frayed. See that? That's got to come off. And my radio's on the wrong side. Anyway, the thing should be over here where I can get at with my right hand. So, a couple things we're going to do. Preventative maintenance wise, I got a much better right angle cable. This is going to have to go on the bottom. So, first of all, let's get rid of this radio cable. Okay. That's where that went. And this, yep, get rid of that and that. And then underneath here, that's where the antenna sits. Right there. So hopefully, I was going to say hopefully I can leave the antenna right where it is, but you know what? It feels a little loose. So what we're going to do is go ahead. Let's not leave trash all over the airport grounds. Go ahead and get the antenna off, and then see how I ran this thing. Okay, the easiest thing to do is just cut off the end and pull it through. Okay. Collect my zip ties as I go. Okay, now to do a little bit of maintenance on the other end. Okay, so